Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix CapCut app file not supported. So here, this is easy quick solution for you. And here, in order to fix this issue, when you try to open this app, the file not supported, you can try to tap me and go to the settings. You can tap a gear icon at the top corner of your screen, and here you can try to scroll down and clear cache. Don't worry, clearing cache will not delete your drafts. So here you can the cache is cleared. Then you can close your CapCut, and here you can go to the Play Store. Now you have to update your CapCut. So here you can try to find a CapCut application on the Play Store or App Store. This is the CapCut video editor. Now you have to update in order to fix some issues. And also improve a service or improve the trimming experience, for example. And here, after the update, after the installation is finished or done, you can close the Play Store. Do not open yet the CapCut. You have to find the CapCut application icon, hold the icon and tap application info. Here again you can tap on storage usage. Here you can clear cache inside storage usage option. Go back. Next you can scroll down and try to find by default or open by default. Default option partially set. You can tap it. And here make sure open support link is allowed. So you can tap allow app to open supported links. So here the supported links by default is www.capcut.com. After that, you can try to open your CapCut app and try some editor, like try to some templates. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. See you in the next video.